Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact cells you will plot. Highlight headers plus values so Excel assigns labels. Once selected, clean data. Fix text numbers, unify date formats, and delete stray blanks to avoid missing points. If you need derived series, add a helper column now. This keeps raw data intact and makes chart updates automatic. By preparing the range and types correctly, you ensure Excel interprets categories versus values the way you expect, which prevents many common graphing errors. You now insert the chart. Choose recommended charts for a quick start or pick line, column, or scatter when you need control. Once inserted, make sure axis types match your data: categorical axis for labels, date, or numeric axis for continuous time or measurements, because that changes scaling and interpolation. Then edit series, add or remove ranges, switch rows/columns if needed. Use chart design and format to apply styles. Set axis bounds and add data labels so the chart communicates clearly. Finish by polishing. Set axis bounds and tick spacing, apply number formats, and position the legend and title so the message is clear. Make the chart dynamic by converting your data to a table or using named ranges. Once done, new rows update the graph automatically. If something looks wrong, check axis types first. Categorical versus date errors are frequent, and inspect hidden blanks or text values causing gaps. If needed, rebuild the series selection to force Excel to reinterpret the ranges correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.